Giant salvinia was first discovered in the United States on a small farm pond in South Carolina in 1995. After chemically eliminating the weed in South Carolina, it was not until April of 1998 in Houston, Texas, that Texas Parks and Wildlife Department found the fern floating in a schoolyard water garden.
It is absolutely apparent that the main agent of spread of this plant is people. Either on purpose because they think it's good or they like the look of it or they want it in their aquarium or whatever, or because they don't know and they spread it unconsciously on their boats or on their fishing nets or even on their clothing.
In 1961, David Mitchell was working on his doctoral thesis in Zimbabwe, Africa. Lake Kariba on the Zambezi River was heavily infested with a fern which was clogging the turbines on one of its hydroelectric dams. While looking for solutions to controlling the weed, he discovered it was a scientifically undocumented species and named it Salvinia molesta, the nuisance weed.
I've kept it in a plastic bag for 18 months without putting anything in by way of water or nutrient, and the plant was still growing slowly, but it was dependent on the nutrients being cycled from the dead material for the young stuff to carry on growing. So it's remarkably capable of surviving under those kinds of conditions.